Dividend stocks are the unsung heroes of the investment world, quietly offering a dual bounty of steady income and potential capital appreciation. It's like planting a seed today and reaping the fruits year after year, all while watching your tree grow steadily. But what if that tree could shower you not with just a handful, but a whopping $30,000 annually? Well, there are certain dividend stocks that are poised to potentially cascade a river of returns directly into your financial future. I'm Will, and I teach people about investing, personal finance, and money. I've walked the path you seek, and today I have several businesses and investments that provide me income every single month, meaning I never have to work another day in my life. If you plan on becoming financially free, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you find this video valuable. So here are 5 dividend stocks that will make you $30,000 per year or $2,500 every single month. Number 1. Big 5 Sporting Goods Corporation. All right, the first dividend stock that's knocking on the door of opportunity with the potential to carve out a neat $30,000 per year is Big 5 Sporting Goods Corporation. Nestled in the vibrant industry of sporting goods and recreational products, Big 5 doesn't merely bask in the spotlight of its physical retail success. It strides confidently within the financial arena, heralding its presence on the NASDAQ with its ticker BGFV. With a dividend yield proudly standing at 14.06%, it whispers a tale of not just financial stability, but also of consistent, reliable returns to its shareholders. Imagine investing $213,371 and watching it not just sit idly, but actively work, pulsate, and generate a handsome $30,000 year after year. BGFV isn't merely a ticker symbol. It's a testimony to strategic financial management, thoughtful investing, and a clear, straightforward pathway to generating consistent revenue from your investments. This is not just a retail story, it's a chapter on intelligent, informed, and prudent investing. Number 2. Apollo Commercial Real Estate Finance Incorporated. Moving forward, the second dividend stock that elegantly steps into our financial spotlight, promising a potential annual bounty of $30,000, is Apollo Commercial Real Estate Finance Incorporated. Navigating the robust landscape of real estate investment, ARI doesn't merely stand as a monolith in the physical world, but extends its influence into the financial universe, diligently providing financing solutions for commercial properties. A real estate investment trust, REIT, by nature is a vessel that channels financial stability to its investors through consistent and occasionally increasing dividend payouts. Proudly trading under the ticker ARI on the New York Stock Exchange, Apollo Commercial Real Estate Finance Incorporated provide a robust dividend yield of 14.04%. This is not a mere percentage, but a testament to a history that reverberates with reliable returns and fiscal stability. Imagine steering $213,675 into ARI's proven financial journey. This is planting a seed, which not only germinates but blossoms, cultivating a fruitful $30,000 annually. Number 3. Blue Ridge Bankshares Incorporated, located in Virginia. Introducing our third pick, Blue Ridge Bankshares Incorporated of Virginia. Identified as BRBS on NASDAQ, a bank holding company known for providing a stable financial foundation by offering services to individuals, businesses, and government entities. Blue Ridge isn't just a bank, it stands as a financial pillar, demonstrating a solid history of consistent dividend payouts to its shareholders. Holding a dividend yield of 13.73%, Blue Ridge Bankshares signifies a model of resolute commitment to its investors, demonstrated through a tangible track record of fiscal reliability and steadiness. For a practical perspective, to realize an annual return of $30,000 from BRBS, an investment of $218,499 is what's required. In Blue Ridge Bankshares, we identify a financial entity that not only serves its customers, but also diligently serves its investors, ensuring that your capital is not just stored, but actively and effectively working. returning a steady flow of income to your account. If you're finding this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit that like button, as it really helps the channel. Number 4. Chicago Atlantic Real Estate Finance Incorporated. Transitioning to our fourth investment prospect, we have the financial landscape of Chicago Atlantic Real Estate Finance Incorporated, an entity trading on the NASDAQ with the ticker symbol REFI. Specializing in commercial mortgage, banking, and real estate finance, Chicago Atlantic isn't merely a real estate investment trust, REIT, but a focused purveyor of solid investment returns through its strategic industry engagements. The company not only navigates through the realms of commercial mortgage banking and real estate finance, but also diligently ensures a commendable dividend yield of 13.50% to its investors. This percentage is a manifestation of the company's robust financial strategy and sustained commitment to shareholder value. To translate this into a tangible financial perspective, an investment of $222,222 in Chicago Atlantic Real Estate Finance Incorporated would methodically craft a yearly dividend return of $30,000. This reflects a solid investment scenario wherein your capital is actively engaged, generating a stable income stream in a sector known for its financial potency. Number 5. Dynex Capital Incorporated. On number 5, we have the Dynex Capital Incorporated, a name that resounds with consistency and reliability within the investment community. Ticker named DX on the New York Stock Exchange, Dynex steers its focus towards the acquisition and adept management of commercial properties, functioning within the realms of a real estate investment trust, REIT. Dynex Capital doesn't simply stand as a corporate entity, it exemplifies a history rich with consistent dividend payouts, mirroring its commitment to shareholder value, with a current dividend yield that gracefully stands at approximately 13.49%. Notably, this isn't merely a snapshot of the present. Dynex Capital is recognized for a strong historical performance in financial spheres and has orchestrated increments in its dividend payouts in preceding times. To realize the financial perspective, an investment of $222,386 into Dynex Capital paves the way to secure a reassuring $30,000 per annum. It's important to note that investing is an art, combining strategic analysis, financial intelligence, and a keen awareness of the market's pulse. These dividend stocks that we're going to talk about may pave a route to a substantial annual income, yet the journey of investment is one that requires thorough research, diligent planning, and an astute understanding of the risks involved. And while these dividend stocks carry narratives of potential and promise, remember that the investment world is intricately woven with variables and market dynamics that can pivot in unexpected directions. That's why you should ensure your investment strategies are aligned with your financial goals. A golden rule? Never dive into an investment based solely on forecast and potentials. Ensure your decisions are rooted in comprehensive research and, whenever possible, consult with a financial advisor who can guide you through the nuanced pathways of the investment landscape. Why not check out this video next to hear 20 life-changing pieces of advice from Warren Buffett? When it comes to investing, remember, money doesn't buy happiness, it buys freedom.